Hey guys, slime series. So I actually don't know if this like white stuff can work as activator. We're just gonna see. So take some glue. Wait a minute. You know what? Let's just that. Oh, that's like a lot. Okay, that's it. Because I'm only putting a little bit. Anyways, I'm only putting a little bit because I don't know if this stuff works as activator. If it doesn't, then we'll do that for me. Wait a minute. What the heck?